Most people get this wrong. They think savings accounts are all the same. EverTrust Savings in 2026 shows how a modern platform can make growing your money easy, automated, and secure. EverTrust lets you set multiple savings goals, like building an emergency fund, saving for a trip, or investing in your future. The app automatically allocates your deposits toward each goal, maximizing growth. Even small, regular contributions benefit from compound interest, helping your money grow faster than you might expect. The dashboard is intuitive and visual. You can track your spending, monitor your goals, and get alerts for upcoming bills or unusual transactions. This helps you make smarter financial decisions without being overwhelmed by numbers or spreadsheets. Security is strong. EverTrust uses multi-factor authentication, bank-level encryption, and continuous fraud monitoring. Deposits are FDIC insured, and customer support is available through chat or email. The main limitation: EverTrust focuses on savings and budgeting. Advanced investment options aren't included, so you'll need another platform for trading or investing. But for anyone who wants a secure, automated, and modern way to save money, EverTrust is an excellent choice. So, is EverTrust Savings worth it in 2026? Absolutely. If you want a smart, safe, and automated way to grow your savings, EverTrust delivers. Subscribe for more reviews of apps and tools that make managing money easier and more effective.